Yes, guys, well done, man. Welcome back to the show, Trading Within the Lab. I'm your host, DK. Quick one. So, I was talking to you guys about EURUSD last couple of weeks. I was telling you guys about potential reversal. If you're in my Telegram link, of course, I showed you guys a few shorts that I got in. So, in and out of the trade. So, with this one over here, yeah, I was gonna say something. Let me turn this shit down. Got music playing in the background. Hopefully, I don't get no copyright. But, so, what I was saying, yeah, with last week, I was telling you guys about potential reversal that was happening with EURUSD. And of course, there's like a supply zone area that, I was looking at before I went for like a quick short, because I knew there was going to be a little quick opportunity to take like a quick shorts. When we go over here, look over here with the blue line there, right here. So of course, when price hit this level over here, we know there's a supply zone area over here. When price hit this level over here, and then of course, you know, it rejected from that supply zone area. So that was a nice little indication for us to go for like a quick short. But what I was looking at the same time when I was going for a quick short, I was looking at these lows over here. This lows right here. I was looking at these lows over here. I'm going to mark it up for you guys so you guys can actually see what I'm talking about. So this is a 4 hours time frame that I'm talking about, guys. Yeah. So in the 4 hours time frame, I was looking at this lows over here, and I was watching it, and I was just like, if price continue to, keep going down and falling down and breaking lows, then that's an indication for us to say, all right, then cool. We can go for more shorts. And initially, I was looking for price to come down to this level over here where it says 1.06, right? So that would have been me coming out of the trade. Because remember, I told you guys overall, everything's an uptrend overall. When you look into the month time frame and you look into the week time frame, everything's an uptrend overall, right? So when price was falling after hitting that supply zone area, I was looking for like a nice little quick short, which I got a nice quick shorts, which I made a little quick little, £80, £100. But that's not really the trade that I want to, be on long term in terms of like, getting the full maximum out of that trade. So as time went on, we saw this happen recently. This just happened right here. So we had this big candlestick over here, right here. So you see the support over here. So when you're marking up your chart, always look for like a support area, especially if you're a new beginner. Look for a support area that you can be like, all right, cool. This is a support area over here that you can use as a mental stop loss. And also this is a support area that you can use as a mental stop loss. So when you're about to enter a trade, especially when you're going for a short, make sure you look at all the support area that price can reject from, because this support got broken, created a new support, and another new support got made. So now I'm going to use this support over here that I'm showing you guys right now. I'm going to use this as a mental stop loss right now. So of course, if price comes down to this level, then I'm going to have to start, breaking off some trades. Do you know what I'm saying? Just to ease off the bleed. Cause, I don't want to be bleeding on a drawdown. You know what I'm saying? So we're going to just take off some lot size. Remember, like, this is not a race. This is a marathon. It's your own personal marathon. And the main aim is to make sure that you know exactly what you're doing, especially with risk management. But saying all of that, I got a video about that, but we're going to talk about this right now. So over here, I'm using this area as a nice little mental stop loss, because I noticed that price never broke past this low. And then there was a big candlestick over here. So we got like a 1 hour and 45 minutes on a 4 hours time frame for that candlestick to finish. So if I go on a 1 hour time frame right now, we can see exactly how it's looking in a 1 hour time frame. So the 1 hour time frame, we look at this high over here, because it's important. We look at this high over here. And now if price breaks past this high, that's a clear indication that, price is going to continue going upwards. But we need a candlestick to close for us to know that, okay, cool, this might happen. But there might be another correction where, price is going to come back down. But remember, I told you guys, mark up your support area where you need to get out of the trade if price breaks that low. If price breaks the low, get out of the trade. Don't try and ride the trade to the next low or to the other low. If price breaks this low over here, because this is a strong, solid low over here, if it breaks this low, my suggestion is to get out of the trade, wait for another opportunity for it to create another low, watch what price is doing, and then you can go again. But today's Friday. So usually I don't trade on Fridays, but if I see a great opportunities to take the trade, then I definitely will take the trade. You know what I'm saying to you? You know, scared money don't make no money at the end of the day. But like what I'm looking at right now, look at the structure of it. When you see the structure, you can see the high, you can see the low, you can see the high, you can see the low, you can see the high, you can see the low. So that's the structure of it. So, saying all of that, we're going on a 4 hours time frame. Like, no, actually, this is what I wanted to show you guys that I've been looking at that I feel like is important for you guys to see. When you go on a month time frame, right? You go on a month time frame and you look at the candlestick in the month time frame, right? So now look at these candlesticks in the month time frame. Now look at this low. So now ask yourself, okay, cool. If this low has been created and, you know, there was a consolidation from here all the way to here, and mind you, this is a long consolidation that's been happening, right? Over the month, right? That you can see from here, right? You can see price being choppy, going upwards. But over here right now, we can see that price is looking like it's going to push all the way back up. Of course, create a high and create another low. So if price pushes back up and creates a highs and break this, you know, break this correction area over here and create a new high, then we're going to be breaking off some trades. When I say breaking off some trades, sorry, excuse me. When I say we're going to sell some lot size and take some profit, and then of course wait for another low and go again. Because when you're looking at it from a month time frame, you wanna get in a nice position from early, so when that reversal is happening, you can compound the trade. That's why it's always good to ask yourself, okay, where do you see the price going? Is it an uptrend or a downtrend? So now when you know it's an uptrend, you want to try to compound the trade going up. If it's a downtrend, you want to compound the trade going down. But if you're trying to be in and out of a trade while it's an uptrend, always make sure you look for a support area for you to get at. Because most people don't know when to get at a trade, you know? But saying all that, I'm going to monitor this trade and then I'll get back to you guys. Go back in a week time frame, see how it's looking in a week. See what the structure is looking like in a week. And yeah, here we go from there. But, yeah, we'll catch you guys in a bit.